Faith from Kiddy Entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to show you how making money is child's play. Also remember to like and subscribe to this video because it will support our channel.
Okay, brilliant, Faith. So I've got some questions for you. There's many children watching this, and maybe even some people who are a little bit older, and they're sat there thinking, how can I make a little bit of extra money? What would you say to these people?
I would say sell all your old things on eBay and all your old toys that you don't play with anymore.
Okay. Now, is that a hard thing to do?
No.
No? Okay. How effective was it for you? How well did it work?
It worked pretty well, I would say, because I got £150 in 3 days.
What, every 3 days or?
No, but I wish.
Yeah, I bet. So, is there any fees? Just
eBay takes a small fee.
they take a small fee. So they take that after the product's sold?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here's a question. Could you give your viewers a top tip?
I would say put your old toys or anything that you're going to sell in groups instead of individually, because it would be more expensive.
Okay, so it's worth more if it's in groups.
Yeah.
Now, what sort of things did you put together in groups? What items?
I put my Sylvanian families, my LPS,
Okay.
and I think my old clothes.
Okay. So, was this like your best stuff, or were these things that you didn't need anymore?
They were things that I didn't need anymore.
You didn't need them?
I didn't.
Okay, brilliant. So, I suppose there's one last question. What's your next move?
It's a secret. It's out soon.